You want to select an expertise and create an offer so you can grow and start making a lot of money in the funnel building industry, but you don't really know where to start. I mean, your audience, your niche requires so many types of things like lead magnet funnels, application funnels, webinar funnels, and all those things. And it's just a short list. So how do you select the one that you're going to master? Well, the truth is you actually need to master all ideally, because if you know everything about those, you can recommend or consult your clients the best way for their best offers and scenarios, and you can create them very high, really high converting offers and funnels. Now, but you do need to start in one thing at a time, because there's no way that you're going to master every single one at the same time, right? And you know that. Now, before I give you the exact solution for that, we want to understand that your audience needs leads and your audience needs sales, right? Leads so that more people know about them, and sales so they can grow their business and make money. Now, the first thing you want to know is what are the highest demand funnels for each one of those. So for leads, it's going to be webinars, masterclasses, lead magnets, low ticket offers. And then for highest demand for sales, you have self-liquidating offers, you have membership, info products, you have challenges, you have book a call funnels, and all those things. Okay, so because you know this right now, you can go ahead and just select the ones that you identify with, the one that you like the most. You don't need to go for the ones that are the most important ones in the sequence. You just go ahead and study one by one, because in this phase, in the learning phase, all you need is to learn about this stuff. You are not going to master it right away. You just want to start learning about it. So study one by one. You don't need to select the best one. Just study the one that you found more curious, and understand the fundamentals of those. And then once you have the foundations, once you've worked on building one or two funnels of that, what you want to do and add it to the portfolio, what you want to do is you want to start finding clients. Okay. And this is where things are going to start to make sense, okay? As you start finding clients, you want to focus on what they are looking for. Because if you have one client that is asking you for a masterclass funnel, I mean, you know the foundations. You study them in a couple of days, right? Now, if you want to master the masterclass funnel, what do? You take the client, you don't overcharge because you are just learning, and then you make sure that you take that opportunity to learn as much as possible. So offer them tech support, offer them conversion rate optimization, offer them to work side by side with them so that you can improve the leads and the sales and all that stuff. Make sure that you utilize that experience and opportunity to really grow your expertise. Now, if your client asks you for a masterclass funnel, or if for a challenge funnel, for example, go for that and make sure that you get the opportunity to grow as much as possible. Now, most importantly, don't feel rushed. Like, this is one of the things that kills the highest chances of progress that most funnel builders have, because they always feel rushed. And maybe you are feeling rushed right now. You feel like everything is moving so fast. People are getting a lot of results. You are not getting money. You are not making money. You are not getting clients. So you need to feel like everything needs to happen yesterday. But I assure you, it feels that way, but it's not that way. Okay? Those funnel builders that I know that are, making a lot of money, right? They did it because, one, they work consistently on growing. They didn't have like the burst of energy where they work a lot for like a month or two and then they burn out afterwards. So they become consistent. They are in the market for quite a long time, and they have invested in learning more and more and more. And this is very important. If you don't learn every single day, you're going to be left behind, and that puts you a lot of pressure, and that's real pressure. Okay? Things happening, today, it's not real pressure. It's just a mindset issue. But if you don't learn every single day, that's real pressure. That's what you want to worry about. Join funnel building paid communities. Don't really focus just on free ones, because free ones, everybody can be there. And most of them, they are worthless. Like, sorry to say this like that, but it's true. Most of the people that join funnel building, free communities, they are really not people that you should pay attention to. Okay, you can pay attention to those who build those communities, free communities, all that stuff. But most of the members there, they are not really going to help you out. So you want to join paid communities, and it can be funnel building or it can be niche specific. You want to make sure that you are in communities where people are talking about that expertise, where people are when you have master classes, weekly master classes, where you have access to the guy that builds the community. Okay, and you want to find a coach, a one-on-one coach that actually has time to explain stuff to you, that devotes time to explain stuff to you. There's so many coaching programs out there that all they do is they make money and then they don't care about their clients, like whatever. Like they go out into if you hustle and if you take this information, you get it. But that's not what you need. You need to hustle. You need to work you need to work really hard, but you also need help from people. You also need time. You need people to pay attention to you, like to answer your questions. Okay, so these are very, very important. Don't feel rushed. Make sure you learn every day. Make sure that you join funnel building paid communities. Make sure that you find a good coach that can devote time for you and has results in that. And then pay close attention to what the market is looking for. Be where the demand is. Because if you think like, okay, this guy got results with, I don't know, like webinar funnels, and people are not asking for webinar funnels, like you can try to master it as much as possible. You're going to struggle making money. You need to be where the demand is. And demand is in self-liquidating offers. The demand is in membership offers. The demand is in challenges. The demand is in, in communities. So these things, you want to make sure that you learn those, okay? Because if you do, and you are where the demand is, your life's going to be much, much easier, okay? So focus on these things. And if you want to learn more about funnels, I have a proven track record. I've built funnels for myself, for my clients, and I help my students build funnel building expertise. If you're looking for someone that actually has the time to devote to you, to give you the expertise that you need, to give you the information that you need, to get to those first 10 to 25K a month, then maybe I'm going to be a good solution, a good offer for you. I have plenty of offers. I have my one-on-one offer. I have my my courses. So if you are interested and curious, feel free to send me a DM. But if you don't really resonate with me and if you found someone else that is better, like by all means, invest on something. Like you need to invest on learning more and more and more because the world goes fast, but it doesn't go fast in the way that you think about it when you are getting started, okay? It's the opposite. So anyway, I don't want to make this like a 10-minute video. So I hope this was important to you. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to join my funnel building community, feel free to do so. If you want to check my courses, it's funnelsgenius.com, funnelsgenius.com, and you have all that stuff there.